I made a little short film just last week. The VFX turned out pretty well, I think. So here's how I made them look so neat. Buckle up, we're doing a behind the scenes. So the giant pendulum is just a fancy cylinder. A little bit of detail spam to make your brain fill it. An inset extrude, add a bit to the top. Animate it, swing, and then don't let it stop. The runes were simple. First I drew them out on paper, modeled each of them in 3D, and over an hour later I put them on the pendulum and keyframed them to spin. Then I made them glow, light up the smoke, and now we're really moving. Speaking of the smoke, to get those wafty vapors, I used a tool called EmberGen to run some simulations. Then I took all of that and shoved it all in Blender, but something still looked off about it when I hit render. Turns out it was missing all the most important parts, like accurate reflections and shadows to start. So to compensate for that and to integrate things tightly, I went outside and photoscanned the whole set nicely. I got back home, tracked and solved the camera motion, matched the track to the scan, then rendered it and posted. If you thought this was cool, why not follow my account? I hope you had fun and you should stick around. I'll be posting more stuff soon, so keep an eye out for more fun things made of pictures and sound.